just woke up. I may have wiped the crust out of my eyes ever so slightly, just for y'all, but this is what I look like when I wake up. Got a little t-shirt on, got some jammies on, got my headscarf on, and I figured I would film a little get ready with me to work from home, just to spruce it up, you know, get a little bit cute. If you don't want to feel, you know, so potato-y some days. This isn't every day, but when I just want to spruce myself up a little bit, this is what I do. So we'll get started with the basics. I showered last night, so I'm just gonna like freshen up this morning, you know, reapply deodorant, brush the teeth, put the contacts in, moisturize the face, you know, all that little stuff. And then I'm gonna try to do something with my hair so that it doesn't look absolutely crazy. And then we're just gonna see what we get. We're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna show you just a little bit of makeup, just to feel a little bit more alive, a little bit of skincare, and then I'm gonna show you my work from home outfit, which I love. So, oh, someone's at the door. Be right back. Okay, we're back, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with the basics. The face. I had my hair up in these two little buns yesterday, so they're kind of flat a little bit, but what can you do? Anyway, what was I saying? I'm gonna start with the basics. So I'm gonna do the face, the teeth, the deodorant, and all of that. So I'll be right back. Whew. I love rinsing my face with cold water in the morning. It just like wakes me up. Kind of like so you don't have to take a full-on cold shower. I just rinse it with cold water. It feels amazing. And yeah, I just kind of judge myself awake. Okay, so I'm going to moisturize. I'm just using oldie but goodie CeraVe. I use the PM moisturizer because I think the AM one has sunscreen in it, and I use a separate sunscreen. So I just use the PM one. And this is the sunscreen I use. This is the Sunrise. Oh, not the Sunrise. Etude House is the brand. Etude House Sunrise Mild Airy Finish SPF 50 sunscreen. And this is Korean. I get it off Amazon. And I like this one. And I like the bottle. It's travel friendly as well. And it lasts quite a long time. So that's good. And it's very affordable. I think it's like, the price will fluctuate. Wow, can't talk today. Fluctuate on Amazon, usually between like $12 and like $15 or something. Put this on. I always put my leftover skincare on the back of my hands. So if you see me like doing this, it's because I'm just like, let me just get it all in. Let me get it in where I can, you know what I'm saying? Apparently it helps to combat your hand aging. I don't know, I don't really care about that, but it's just an easy way to get rid of the excess stuff. So, and if it does help, why not? Good thing I've been doing it, I guess. Okay, so before we jump into the hair and the makeup, let me just show you what I'm using and then I'll do a time lapse. Okay, so I'm just gonna conceal. I actually conceal with foundation nowadays. I don't really use concealer right now. I'm kind of on this kind of kick, so I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is like, I'll scrub it off, but this is the shade Deep Spice 7W1. So I'm gonna use this pretty much just under my eyes. I don't really that often anymore wear foundation all over my face. I'll just like conceal a little bit under my eyes and that's it. Then I'm gonna go in for the brows, go in for the kill. So my new, oh my gosh, favorite freaking makeup product. I think I'm gonna do a favorites video for this month and I'm definitely gonna talk about this. This is the L'Oreal Micro Ink Pen. Obsessed. I do not have the Glossier Brow Flick, but I would imagine this is a dupe, like a drugstore dupe. I think this was $9 or $10. And look at the little tip. It's like a felt tip for your eyebrows. And I'm so obsessed with this. So I'm going to use this on my brows because brows, they frame my face at least. So gotta have brows. What else am I going to use? A little bit of bronzer and highlight. So this is Becca Topaz. Wow. Becca Topaz. And then I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer as well. What else am I going to use? Probably this NYX Wonder Pencil for my waterline in nude. Or what shade is it actually in? Let's see. Medium. There we go. Probably some brown eyeliner. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in dark brown. Love this so much. I'm going to use NYX Butter Gloss in Praline for the lips. The two mascaras that I use are L'Oreal Telescopic and CoverGirl Lash Blast. And I'm probably using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplify Primer as well for my lashes. And yeah, those are pretty much it in terms of the products. Nice and easy, nice and simple. So I'm just gonna use those things, get ready, and I'll come back and show you my outfit. Done, nice and easy. Pretty much a little bit of sprucing up to the face, mascara, brows, a little bit of lip gloss. So I'm feeling alive. Now what to do with this hair, I do not know. I do not know, I do not know, I do not know. I feel like I'm just gonna throw it up in a puff, because that's gonna be the easiest thing to do. And I have a bunch of like scrunchy lines and stuff, so that's just what we're gonna do. Comfy outfit on. I'm gonna spray on some perfume because I don't know, I love perfume. I even put it on like after I shower at night. The scent just kind of like is really comforting to me and lulls me to sleep. I love it, and I love this perfume so much. This is Bella by Vince Camuto. It smells so good. Like it's not musky, what is it? It's like a mix of like fresh and a little bit of sweet and a little bit of floral. Oh my gosh, so good. I'm obsessed with it. So I just, spray it in the hot spots. And there we go. Let me show you my outfit, the full ensemble. The lighting isn't the best, but this is my outfit. So these pants are from Nasty Gal. They come in a two-piece set. It's like a little tank top underneath here. The slippers are from Carey, and this robe is from Victoria's Secret. So a little pink work at home moment, super cute. So I'm ready to get to work and be comfortable while doing so. So yeah. Okay, so I'm ready to get to work. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my little get ready with me to work from home. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Let me know why. And subscribe for more if you're interested. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.